Look at this guy. Assalamu alaikum. Chtarasi khobasi jani jo. Checkpoints everywhere. So we just went through security. We were frisked. Women go to the right, men go to the left. You gotta allow time when you get to the airport. One security, another one. And that security takes about 10 minutes to get to the terminal. Goodbye, Kabul. Dalis are not like at most other terminals where you gotta pay close to $10, especially JFK. Back here, look, we're here already at the gate. It took only 40 minutes, not that bad. Everything is working systematically in here. They have these big coolers. Look at this cooler. It's really hot out there and we're nice and chilled in here. We actually rushed to hurry up. We hurried up all the way to the airport and we waited for 2 hours. But then we just sat here drinking tea. Like 6 men in a circle drinking tea right here. And now we're getting on the airplane just when we started drinking tea. The flights to Mazar, Herat, other provinces left, and we waited. So I got into that little room right there, and we were drinking tea. Now we're boarding a plane, VIP. I just sat down with the former governor of Kabul. Now we have to board the shuttle. Take us to the plane. Carry on. رواز پر نه بجې و ستا دې لس نیم بجې شولې موږ ایرپورټ ته داسې راوځغستله.
لارشنن گرهار دکم استور ماتراوڑا تازه تازه گلون دې سلور ماتراوڑا لارشنن گرهار دکم استور ماتراوڑا تازه تازه گلون دې سلور ماتراوڑا.
Welcome to Kandahar, 115 degrees. هګۍ دلته پخولی شي.
لار شپې خور د کمیستور ماته راوړه تازه تازه ګلونه دې سلور ماته راوړه
موږ دا د ایران د ابوجان څخه کندهار ګل ده. کندهار ګل کې دغسې ګرمي ده چې څه درته ووایم.
راځه چې ورسو ورشي